Alright, so before us we have a para jumble. This is a paragraph that has been split into its individual constituent sentences and then shuffled up, so that now we it is up to us to discern its actual order. So let us just begin and see what we can have. So the very first word of the first sentence is this chance. So chance testimony lifted the lid. So apparently this is a possessive. So we have an apostrophe here, and this chance, this is most likely a surname, isn't it? So because this is a surname, and you never, it never makes sense to use someone's surname or first name without introducing their full name, without introducing them with their full name at least once. So this cannot be the first sentence, right? Because it directly starts with the person's surname, and it's very rude and insensible, and like it's just not the convention to use someone's surname without using their full name at least once. So this cannot be the first sentence. Now, if you look at three, we find this chant again being used in isolation. Because the surname is being used in isolation, this three cannot also be the first sentence. And four doesn't have a mention of it, while two is the thing that we were actually looking for. So we have two red sentences that cannot be the first sentence, and four is neutral for now, and Lieutenant General Sharat Chand. So, two is the only sentence that introduces him fully with a full military title and all. So, now this is the sentence that we were looking for. So, for now, we can be pretty sure that one, definitely, that one shall precede, that two shall precede one and three. Now, we don't know the exact order, but we know that two shall precede one and three because that's where the name is being introduced. Now, let us see what else can we work out. Now, what I can say is so we know that two is the starting point, right? And it's important to identify the first sentence, else you'll have multiple floating units that you'll need to find additional connections. But if you go in the sequential order, one, two, three, four, you'll have less number of units and lesser possibility of ambiguity there, less combinations to eliminate, because they'll be already eliminated when we are putting them sequentially. So we need to ascertain which is the first one, right? So okay, now let us. So one is not the first one, three is not the first one. Let us see if four is the first one. If four can precede two. So let's just check that. Since many top military officers have joined the ruling party, another one doing it within a year of hanging his boots. So there are two critical words here. His. So I just check for his, and I check for another one. So that another one doing it, this assumes that we know who that another one is, right? It doesn't introduce that another one. It expects that we know another one. So this specific instance, so it's already mentioned that many top military officers have joined, but this is going from general to specific. Another one doing it. So is that specific person? We don't know. Should not have come as a surprise. Again, something this doesn't seem to be the first sentence at all. Like should not have come as a surprise. So another one doing it, doing what? It. So this it, so doing it, that is joining the ruling party immediately. But where did it tell you that another one has joined the ruling party? Do you have any reference? So definitely four is not the first sentence, and it makes perfect sense when you look here. Lieutenant General Sharat Chand formally joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. So this guy joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. So if we look at this, I think we can definitely connect the two. So this is he joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, and another have joined the ruling party, doing it within a year. So another one did it here. So another one is no one but Lieutenant General Sharat Chand, that we know for now. So we can be pretty sure that four immediately follows two, right? Four immediately follows two. So join the Bharatiya Janata Party, join the ruling party, like literal commonality between the two sentences, and makes the order make sense. So now we are split between one and two. So tough choice here. So let's see if we can prevent us from being torn between these choices. And okay, so now okay, let us see this. There's a keyword, there's a second word. We have already tackled chant to extract one piece of ordering information. Let's use the second word. See, I'll just use two words and I'll try to find if I can make out something here, right? So that this testimony. So it talks of some testimony, right? So what testimony is being talked about here, right? So chance testimony. So chance testimony, what is it? It is not mentioned what chance testimony is in this very short sentence. It's not mentioned what the testimony is. But if you look at three, it mentioned when he told the parliament. He told. So telling, making a testimony, confession, admission, making a statement. That's what testimony is, statement of truth and advocation or espousing of truth. So he told the Parliament Standing Committee that the Indian Army had outdated equipment. So that was the confession that he made. So and that problem, on a problem that has not been solved since. So even this problem isn't introduced until this sentence. What is the problem? The Indian Army, not Indian Army, most of the Indian Army's equipment belonging to the vintage category. This is the precisely the problem being invoked here, referred here. So one follows three. One definitely follows three. So I'll just switch the order here with one and three. So this three comes here. One follows three. So here is one.